Hi, I'm Joe Boglino, VP of Sales at Countertrade Products.
And I'm Tanya Tyler, the account consultant for charter schools in Colorado.
Countertrade Products, based in Arvada, has been serving the IT needs of the education sector for over 25 years. We understand that every single charter school in Colorado is unique, from the students you serve to the teaching methods and tools you use. So to give you the very best, we maintain an unmatched inventory of over 700,000 IT products that can be custom combined to meet your individual needs. And we provide year-round opportunities for complementary professional development.
Choosing a technology vendor can be tricky. Will they truly grasp the challenges that your charter school is facing? Can they offer the best prices and strategies for getting that equipment in a very difficult economic climate? The right technology implemented correctly can help you and your students achieve exceptional performance levels. For example, you should have a written technology plan in place. Without one, your chances of academic success drop sharply. Take advantage of our expertise and let us help you craft a strategic IT plan that will launch your school into a high-performance campus. Now, we recognize that your school budget is probably stretched to the max and you're thinking there's no room for technology spending. We can help. Countertrade provides free grant searches for league members. We can help you evaluate the hundreds of grants out there and advise you of those that best fit your needs.
And when you're ready to implement your IT plan, Countertrade makes it very easy to find the right equipment. For fast and easy ordering, league members can access our custom website, which gives you the extra advantage of side-by-side multi-product and pricing comparisons. If you prefer personal guidance, instead, we have a dedicated school support team available to meet you on-site at your convenience. We are proud of what Colorado charter schools are accomplishing in our state, and we want to help you accomplish even more. Call us anytime. Thank you.